Side Bistro, and also beside it is the OJ's Torta here in Argao, and of course we're going to be tasting their specialties.
Street Side Bistro. I am Nina Rebellia Party, and this is my fellow server. I'm Mitch. And for today, we will introduce to you our food. Some of our best sellers, starting with special bak choy. It costs 90 pesos. You can choose either fresh egg or boiled. Chicken lumpia, 4 size rolls per serve.
And how much?
This is 70 pesos.
How about the bak choy?
The bak choy costs 90 pesos.
90 pesos per bowl. How about this?
This is Bistec Tagalog for 175, good for 2. With the chicken wings, if you dine in with us here at Street Side Bistro, you can choose whether for takeout or for dine-in. But for the dine-in, it costs 179 per head, unlimited chicken wings and only rice.
How about the sauces? What are
the sauces, it differs from the sauces or the dips. We call them, this one is Tex-Mex or Texan Mexican, sweet chili, buffalo, and queso.
Okay, so kita lang sa queso last time. Kaya wala siya.
Yes. Also, we have here our very own delicacy from Argao. So if you visit here in Argao, we have here the best known torta, pasalubong. This is OG's Torta Classic for 30 pesos. This is torta de ube with the flavor inside ube for 35, and this is for, and the same as well.
Torta latte.
Torta latte.
Why is it latte?
Chocolate inside.
There's
The
chocolate.
special chocolate inside. So same price. This is 35, and 30 pesos. Torta Classic.
So, what's your schedule of operation?
We open daily from 11 a.m. until our last call is 8 p.m. Customers are welcome here anytime as long as the schedule for operation starts at 11 a.m.
11.
and 11 until 8 p.m.
So, we just have here the halo-halo.
Also, we have here the special halo-halo. It costs 85 pesos per serve. So we have here the gumba, 100 pesos. 100. Good for 2.
Good for two, good for sharing also.
Also, we have here the garlic butter shrimp for 180. Lamig kaayo, magtago ka sa kalamig.
Thank you. Say the name.
My name is Nina Ray Villaparte from Proud SSB member.
Hi everyone, I am Jocelyn Almirante, the co-owner of Street Side Bistro by OG's Torta. So actually, we just started last February 14, Valentine's. So that was our target, kanang opening date. Actually, amo yung first target is kanang summer pa. But we thought of nga, why not Valentine's, since mo na peak season wherein couples or families kay mo gawa silang balay og mga on. And then ang location sa store kay actually, if the first idea was to rent jud a small space sa Dunhill, which is a park here in Argao. But unfortunately, my dad discouraged me in renting a small lot kay ang tanan ko ng profit or ginansya mapunta ra sa rent. So why not maximize the small parking space sa amoang stores which is OJ's Torta. And then the selection of food, I'm not really a culinary student. Like I think I got the skills sa my mom really loved to cook ba. And then I just na learned the basics of from her recipes. Actually, most of the food that we are serving are the recipes of my mother. So we are proud to say that all the food that we offer are homegrown recipes and kanang made from scratch good, and we can assure nga fresh ingredients good since these are all made from scratch. And then we got the idea of kanang opening an unlimited chicken in Argao since it is kanang famous, patok na siya sa mga teenagers karon. And then wala pa jud siya sa Argao. So sa Pinoy most of us kay ganahan ba ya jud ang Pinoy ang Pinoy og chicken mapabata or mapatiguang. And then ganahan sad kayo tagkanon what is kanang a meal without a rice sa Filipino good. So muna best combo jud ang rice and kanang fried chicken wings. And then actually sister business jud mi sa OJ's Torta, which is kanang tapad ra jud right beside ra gyud from our sister business. So most of the people, most of the tourists nga mo sa Argao kay mangita gyud sila torta nya mo to, mangita sila torta nya makita sila nga nay kan-anan diri bus, most especially if di ka nangaligog dagat nagigutom mar sila ay mangaon na lang sa diri. And then we are bringing the name jud nga by OJ's Torta kay mura ganig trademark na mo nga when you hear the name OJ's Torta kay you think about kanang good and quality food. So actually the idea came into my mind just this quarantine. So I am a student but I'm still studying. So how can I make money out of the quarantine and how can I turn this kanang boring times or this kanang make it kanang more productive since I'm just in my room, online classes and all. So I thought of how can I make my quarantine productive and how can I earn money from quarantine na wala jud koy allowance. So this starting a business motong okay mag-start ako business because I think this is the best time is now, like the best time or the best timing is now. Guys, if you are planning to come here down south, you may visit us at 321 Abiar Street, Poblacion, Argao, Cebu, OJ's Torta, and Streetside Bistro by OJ's Torta. You can check out our Facebook page also. We have our contact numbers posted there, so you can easily reach out to us when you have inquiries, orders, or reservations. Thank you and have a great day.
Hello everyone, we're here today at Streetside Bistro and also beside it is the OJ's Torta here in Argao, and of course we're going to be tasting their specialties. They have torta, the ube, they also have their original torta and their torta latte, which is made of torta with chocolate inside. We've been here before, we've tasted their chicken, but wala katilaw sila ang queso because they ran out. And also I think wala po mo itong chili. Murag duhara ko natilawan na flavor last time. So today they have all four agad yung flavor? Five. Unsay wala? Ang wala honey mustard. So they don't have the honey mustard today, but we'll be tasting their 4 flavors. Uy, pangaonog man ako. Hindi ko kaonog, anak. And they also have bistek. Bistek Tagalog ni, no? Yes. Their bistec Tagalog. And this is good for sharing, 180. 175. Okay. So, tilawan ko ni. And I also saw their post na nasa lay batchoy katong ting-uwan. So, na-curious ko if it's really at par with the batchoy in Iloilo. So, ato ko na tilawan dun. And ako sila yung halo-halo, guys. So, they have everything. They have the main dish. They have dessert. And they also have a pasalubong area at the side. So, it's kung muagi ra mo sa Argao, pwede mo diri maniud to or mag-dinner. You also have a pasalubong center there at the side. So, sulit ining lakaw. Charot sa mga unta. Mag-ikugutan ninyo. Mga unta ninyo. They also have garlic buttered shrimp. So, na sila seafood, na sila beef, chicken. Do you have pork? Sama niyo. Humba, sorry, nalimtan na sa Kotubangan. So, they also have pork, by the way. Ilang humba. So, atong tilawan, atong kanon nila kanang if kanang humuk ba ilahang karni. Kidi, you're not eating rice?
Kuan na yun, tika ni Shanghai. Ang sabi tawa ni?
No, tanin niyo. Happy Fiesta. Happy Fiesta.
When? Ay, siya mo na. Ganan siya arit eh.
Nasa man? Shanghai?
Shanghai? Ang sabang
Uy, milagro.
Ang siya mo na.
So, Kidi is really a picky eater. Giganahan siya sa lumpia nila. How much is the lumpia again? 140? 70? 70 no? Pila ka ito? The slice? 4
large.
then we have okay. So 4 ka-rolls dito nga mo ni siya. Pakita ganina. Ngayon sa tagay. Tigtabi.
Hot water din.
I like their bistec. It's salty and sweet, and the meat is soft.
Pili na siya spicy lang, pero sa spice lang niya, sa pepper, mamura siya.
Pagkaprito?
Oh, mura siya mas hanghang gamay.
Uy, lamig na yan.
Bupalo nga.
Bupalo. Naginamot na dito. Alam din siya.
Alam kayo ba?
Alam din siya. Pero okay na kaya na't magkulang. I love their buffalo flavor, guys. Buffalo lang. Buffalo wings. Buffalo. Nara. Lami ilang buffalo. Gani mo sa okay. My choice sa sauce buffalo lami. You want chicken? No? So, tanaw na to eh. Pare-pareha sa Iloilo na original. Pila rin yung batchoy? 90. So, na egg, ilang batchoy, you can choose either boiled or fresh. Daghan ilang usa ka serving, pwede mag-share. Ito paggaluto ang pasta. kayo para so ganahan ra.
Iba mo pa na yun.
Kapasara siya, kapasara.
Order ko.
Let's taste the garlic butter shrimp. Kano sa mo nag-open?
Valentine's no, February 14.
First new grand opening?
Oh.
Amo yung mga. This year?
This year.
Oh, this year pa today sila nag-open. You can really say... Mo na ang katong missing. Sige. Fresh ilahang shrimp kay ka-determine kung fresh. Okay, wala ilahang honey mustard. No, no. It's okay. Pick it up and on. Sit down, okay? Dami ko nila honey mustard. You should try both flavors. Honey o buffalo.
Straw?
Pwede niya butang na rin. Oh. Yeah. Ako. Too big.
Unaw na.
So, dalawa at ni upo ko dalawa. Ano isate? Mo na yung paboritong kidi din.
Hindi rin ko pa kayo. Pati susuka mo.
So, wala mo yung sauce na kalang for lumpia dyan.
Mga pero
Kani?
kung sa chips lang ba? Hindi po makakakayo.
For the chicken? Okay. So, if you don't really prefer the 5 flavors they have, you can also opt to get the suka umpatis. And so, this is their lumpia.
Water?
Chicken lumpia. It has a dip. Suka lang ni. May honey. Okay. Wala, nabasa. Dami lang sauce. I think this is not just suka. Yeah, sweet sauce.
Sweet mouth pero a little bit ka ng sour.
Pero di siya honey. So sweet and sour sauce.
Basta! Basta!
Dami siya. Wait. Ganahan ko po siya pagka-spicy sa sauce po.
Sit down.
So they have only chicken. Price is
179.
179 only chicken. If not, mag-only rice sila.
Add like 20 for only iced tea sa mga 199 na siya.
Only rice and only iced tea.
Only 179 is unlimited chicken wings and only rice.
So 179 is only chicken and rice. They add 20 for only iced tea.
Okay.
So grabe kasulit. Wala, nalanay na siya.
No problem. Sit down. Sit down.
Did you eat the halo-halo?
Sit down.
So mo to ilaha mga main dish for their dessert. Of course, they have halo-halo and tortas. Would like to thank OJ's Torta and Streetside Bistro for having us today. Guys, don't forget they have a Facebook page where you can visit. They have updated posts every day kung sa ilang mga specialty, and I think the rates are also there. So the menu is actually posted in their Facebook page in case you need to take a look at what other available food items there are. I'll be also showing the menu here in the video in case you'll be looking for it. So they have pasta, soup, pork, beef, chicken, seafood, and veggies. And they are complete with desserts and drinks as well. So, okay, so the name of the bistro is Street Side Bistro by OJ's Torta. So, sister company. Yes, so thank you so much once again for having us. Don't forget to like and follow their page, and of course to show your support to my channel, subscribe and tap on that notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Love you. Bye!
Dapugan.
Huh? What's that?
Tomo.
Ikaw eat ang tanan.